Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to present the UPPAbaby Vista V2 stroller and convertible single-to-double system, regarded by many as the best car seat and stroller combo set for girls. This remarkable stroller features a stylish design, unmatched versatility, and numerous thoughtful functionalities. Let's take a closer look and see what makes it stand out. First impressions matter, and the UPPAbaby Vista V2 certainly makes a remarkable one. It comes in a beautiful, jade color combination, which features a charcoal carbon frame and black leather accents. This stylish design is not just about looks, it is built to last, composed of high-quality materials including leather, aluminum, and magnesium for a sturdy yet lightweight frame. What truly sets this stroller apart is its ability to adapt as your family grows. The Vista V2 starts as a single stroller and seamlessly converts into a double stroller, accommodating up to 3 children when combined with accessories and adapters. This makes it a fantastic choice for families who are planning ahead. Each UPPAbaby Vista V2 comes with a full-size, reversible toddler seat. This seat offers multiple recline positions, so your little one can either sit upright to take in all the sights or lie back comfortably for a nap during your adventures. The best part? You can easily switch the seat to face you or look out at the world. It's all about providing your child with both comfort and engagement. Speaking of comfort, the one-handed recline feature is a game-changer for busy parents. You can adjust the seat position with ease, allowing your child to find their perfect lounging spot without hassle. Let's talk about sun protection. The Vista V2 comes equipped with an extendable, UPF 50+ canopy. Not only does this provide excellent sunshade for your child, but the zip-out extension allows for additional coverage, making those sunny strolls much safer. The mesh panels also improve airflow, so your little one stays comfortable even on warm days. Whether you're strolling through the neighborhood, navigating a crowded shopping center, or exploring nature trails, the UPPAbaby Vista V2 delivers a smooth ride. The suspension system eases bumps, making every outing enjoyable for both you and your child. No need to worry about carrying around all of your baby essentials. This stroller features an extra-large, easy-access storage basket that can hold up to 30 pounds. Store everything from diaper bags to snacks without any trouble. Now, let's not forget about the small details that make a big difference. The UPPAbaby Vista V2 is incredibly easy to fold. It stands on its own when folded, which is a real benefit when you're juggling your baby or other items. Plus, you can fold it with the toddler seat still attached. In conclusion, the UPPAbaby Vista V2 stroller is more than just a stroller. It's a journey companion designed with both style and functionality in mind. From its adaptability to growing family needs to its thoughtful features, it truly stands out. If you're looking for the ideal car seat and stroller combo, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. See you next time.